and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am going to do a hack that I saw on TikTok where Welcome2lydialand did forgot my knife at home hack. So it's an avocado TikTok hack. So first I cooked up my Spam. This was actually Spam with bacon. It's actually good. I don't eat much Spam, but I like to have it like once or twice a year. So here it goes. So she said what she did was she pinched the top off. It's a little resistant, but it does come off. And then she just squeezed the avocado until the fruit came out of it. And so, yeah, it's quite messy, and I would never fix a sandwich for someone like this because I'm going to be using my hands quite often to make sure stuff is where it should be. But if you're only fixing a sandwich for yourself, then it's fine. Yeah, so then you have the problem with the pit coming out. But this is a lot safer than, cutting the avocado in half with a knife and removing the pit with a knife. But, like I said, it's not so sanitary if you're making it for another person. Maybe a very close relation. But it was interesting. So this was my breakfast sandwich today. And then I put a little bit of seasoning on it, a little salt and pepper. A couple slices of tomato. So, yes, the avocado hack does work, but it is very messy. So, I wanted to get a cross section of the sandwich. And there we go. It's actually kind of pretty with the green and red in there. And so I like to use avocado as my mayonnaise because I really don't care for commercially bought mayonnaise. I like homemade, but I don't like the mayonnaise in the jar. Is that weird? Anyway, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos. And I will see you next time, and let me know if you would try this avocado hack. Alright, take care, y'all.